What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. If you clicked on this seeing a crazy title and thumbnail, you would be right. And I mean what I said. I think the Ford Raptor is going to be done by the end of the summer. And it's kind of random, you might think. Why? Why would the Ford Raptor be done in essentially a couple months by the end of the summer? Well, that would be if you follow Ram trucks, obviously a big competitor of Ford, Dodge or Ram versus Ford. If you follow them on, more specifically, Twitter, they tweeted something out a few weeks ago, and it's been sitting with me. And if they mean what they say this time for real, because this is years overdue, then you will know that what I mean by the Raptor being dead by the end of summer is the natural food chain. We all know it. Even if you were an animal lover, as myself, there is a food chain, and there's always a bigger fish, as Qui-Gon told us in Star Wars Episode 1. So the Raptor is going to get eaten. It's going to get eaten by the T-Rex, the Ram Rebel TRX. Yes, they totally named it that on purpose. A T-Rex is bigger and better than a Raptor. And the TRX, if you can see in the link I'll leave below to that Twitter video, you can see for yourself. The TRX has a Hellcat motor, has big and bad everything, from the frame to the bodywork to the suspension to the tires to the engine to the transmission. Late summer 2020, Ram Rebel TRX. So, if you want to tell me down below that I'm wrong and that the Ram Rebel TRX is going to fall short of the current Raptor, well, then I'd love to hear it, because it has been a long wait, and as long as that TRX stays reasonably priced around 60 or 70 grand and makes at least 600 horse, hopefully more like 700, then it's going to dominate, because you can't argue with a supercharged Hemi in basically a street legal Baja truck, a street legal trophy truck. And that's about all that needs to be said. You can hear that supercharger whine. You can see the spy shots. It's big, it's bold, it's crazy. And that's about it. This is definitely one of my lesser scientific, lesser stat-filled videos, because I think this truck speaks for itself. And I'm really, really excited about it. Wish I could buy one. Definitely, probably can't. But one can dream, right? So tell me down below what you think of the Ram Rebel TRX. Tell me if you think it will dethrone the Raptor by a mile. And it's a good time for off-road trucks. So smash the like button if you're excited for the Ram Rebel TRX. If you're ready for the T-Rex to reign supreme again. This ain't Jurassic Park. This is real life. T-Rexes are coming. Make sure to subscribe for more truck news and automotive content. And like always, I'll catch you later.